Hello everyone. Welcome to Arun's Tech First AI Automation series with Elite M. I'm Arun Barua, and today I will walk you through lesson number 7. So let us begin. So in today's lesson we will learn how to get a draft ready by LLM. AI should draft email reply while excluding promotional and marketing emails. Apart from that, whatever message comes to our inbox, it should send the mail automatically. So this is the flow I have already created. Before we do the hands-on, let us see the output once. Here is it. Okay. Now see, in my email, one business email came. Let us run this workflow. You see, this part has not executed. Right? You see, the output makes reply is false. It means it was a business email and we do not need to send the reply. That is what I said in the LLM part. I will show you that one. Now, let me just delete this message and send a functional message from my other email. Let's see. By that time, let me see the draft. If any draft is there, no draft is there, right? Yeah, now this email is a functional email, right? Let me execute it. Now you see, this part will also execute. Yeah, this part has executed. So the draft is created. Let me see the draft. Okay, now the draft is created. This is what we are going to learn today.
Okay, let's get started. So, let us take a Gmail trigger. Gmail on message, that is a trigger. I will take my 4 account every minute and click this simplify off. Okay, no other option is needed. Click the fetch. We got the message right. It is from me only, from my Yahoo email, correct. Okay, so let us take BASIC, basic LLM chain. Okay, now we will define our prompt. Yeah, that's what I have already written. Let's copy this. I will let you know what is there. Okay, basically this is the subject and text as HTML, right? We will do that. Don't pick it from the headers. Go below and find the subject, drag it and put it there, and in the message we will use HTML today, text as HTML. When you see green, it means it's okay. Now add a prompt. Let's add a system prompt here. So the system prompt I'm writing like this. You are an email filter. If the email above is promotional or marketing, return needs reply false. If it is personal or business and needs my reply, return needs reply true. Only return validation. Okay, that's the system prompt I entered there. Execute this step. Yeah, we have to add model. OpenAI. We will use, okay, by the way, I will use my own account and GPT-4o. Okay. I need a specific format here, that is JSON. Let me use that. Then I have to use a parser, that is structured parser. In this, we need to send that condition, right? Needs reply. That is what I am copying. I will tell you what is it. Basically, we need to create a JSON structure like this, type colon object, and its property is needs reply, and it is a Boolean type. It will return either true or false based on the output given by the previous LLM node, right? Okay. Let us execute this. Yeah, it is executed. Now let us create a if condition. If condition. There we need to add this one. JSON.needs reply. Okay, that is what we set here, right? This needs reply. So we will go here, add a value. Now this is, you have to come down, select Boolean and is true. Sorry, Boolean, click it true. Okay. So that is what we will write there. And no other setting is necessary. Nodes executed successfully, right? Okay. Next, we need to associate another basic LLM chain. So let us configure it, define below. This is the prompt. We need to add our subject and message, right? This is subject and message. I will tell you, this one will be subject. Okay, from where we take the subject? From this. We won't take it from the header. We will take it from this subject. And the message is text as HTML, right? That I will also show you. This is the text as HTML. Okay, execute that step. That's okay. Now we have to create a model, right? That's the other deactivated part. Let's go above. Here we would certainly need a prompt. So let us add a system prompt, and this system prompt would be like this. You are a helpful personal assistant. Draft a professional reply for the mail above. Start with hello and end with best. Keep business casual. Okay, if unsure, say insert answer here. That's the prompt I will enter. This is the prompt. Okay, next we need to add the model. Same model, OpenAI. This is the same GPT-4o. That is done. So let me just click it. It is getting all the results right. Okay, it will be getting. Then click on it, Gmail, and we need to create a draft. So click on create a draft. So in this we need to add this one, subject, right? This is subject. I will tell you what is that guy. Just let me paste it there. Then email type, that is the HTML for us in this example, and message we will use an expression today. I will tell you what is that in a moment. No other option is necessary. Oh yeah, I forgot. See, that's why, email thread, add an option. Thread. That's the thread. We have to pick it from the previous step. That's it. Another option is we need to send this reply to the person who sent me the mail, right? So it will be headers.from. Okay, now when this previous step will execute, we will get all of those. Let us execute once. We do not get the previous response still. Okay, so let me execute the workflow once. Problem with basic LLM chain. I got to know why it is. See, I forgot to add our own schema, define our own schema. So it has corrupted, right? We will go above and quickly bring this. Now let me try. That's okay. Let me try. We got a false, that's why this is not getting right. So let me just try now. Let me just try now. I'm doing it so that I can get the previous node's result. Okay, now let me just take the subject from the email trigger. So let me come to the subject. Somewhere we will get it. Instead of this, drag this guy. Once you see green color, it's okay. Then we have to add the email thread. So this is the email thread. Let us close all this thing. This is email thread. This is very much necessary because we are going to reply to the original message, right? Now to email will be from the sender. That is take this from. Okay, execute this step. Which one? Input split is not a function. Okay, 1 minute. We will do it again. Now it's executed correctly. There is no error. Okay, now I have to disassociate it with this and this. Now it's time to test. Let me see if there is, now see, this guy has sent a message to me, right? This is again a business email, so we will not get any draft here. If we run the whole workflow now, this workflow is complete, by the way. Okay, let me run it. You see, all this will execute up to if it won't execute. It has not executed this part because that mail was, the latest mail was from this business person. Let me delete all of this now. Okay, let me send a fresh email again quickly. So okay, let's wait for a second. Yeah, mail came. This time, hopefully, if I didn't make any error, the last part will execute. See it carefully. So let's see here. Now you see, there is a draft, right? I do, and here, thank you for invitation. Here you see, I have not instructed to add my name, right? That is why it didn't understand. That's why it put a placeholder, your name. Anyway, that's good, right? So this is the end of today's session. I have given lots of email example, right? Still, I want to show some more examples, especially working with the labels. Okay, that will come handy. That is why I decided to create some more email automation for you guys. Later on, you will be needed email automation everywhere. Suppose you work on automating to reply customers' email for Shopify or any other e-commerce platform, then also you need to take help of this, whatever we learned today, right? Today, and of course, for the past 2-3 days, I am continuously taking this email series. Okay, guys? So, thank you so much for today. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.